Good morning, everyone. Here I am presenting a new English writing topic, and the name of our topic is notice writing. So, what is notice? Notice is a proper format from which we can introduce or we can announce any information or any order for public sector. As you all have seen marriage invitation cards, so on the invitation card we can see date, venue, program, timing and the other information. So this invitation card is presenting all the informations for all relatives and family members. It means like we are going to explain or we are going to present some information for public sector. So it is only notice. A notice present some information or any order, any appeal by any of the institution, organization, office or other public departments. From notice, we give other information or any order for public only. For any personal information or for an individual person, we will not use this notice format. So now I am going to present that by what are the main effective points to prepare our notice. The first point is name of the organization, office. It means that on the top of the notice we will write the name of the organization, office, institute, anyone who is presenting this notice. After this name, we will write the date of issuing the notice, on which date we are going to issue this notice. After this date, we will mention the purpose of notice. Each and every notice contains a purpose. Like for any of the purpose, we are going to present a notice. Like I have given you the example of marriage invitation card. So it is a notice, and the purpose of this notice is marriage invitation. The next one is details of the schedule, like whatever details are there regarding with the purpose, we will mention all details like date, time, venue, etc. Whatever details are required. And at last, we will write the signature or name of the person who is issuing the notice. The person who is issuing this notice, at last we will write the date, write the name and the signature, and also we can write designation of that person who is issuing the notice. So here I am presenting an example by which you can easily understand how to write a notice. The question is, you are the principal of your school. Notify the students that from a certain day they must attend school in their winter uniform. So how we'll prepare a notice? The most important thing that a notice will make in a box. We will write each and every detail in that particular box only, not outside the box. We will write all the information inside the box only. So first we will prepare a box and all details we will write in the box. As I told you, on the very top we will write the name and the name of the organization or office who is issuing the notice. So here I am writing the name, Step by Step Public School. This name will be written in the center only. After this, what we are going to present? We are going to present a notice. So this Step by Step Public School is presenting a notice. After this name of the organization, we will present the date of issuing the notice. So at the very right, we will write the date on which we are going to present or we are going to issue this notice. So Step by Step Public School. After this, we will write the heading notice, and at the right of the side, we will write the date on which we are issuing this notice. After this, we will write the purpose of notice. Again, we will write this in the center of the box. So our purpose is winter uniform. According to the question, we need to write a notice for issuing or for announcing information regarding winter uniform. So our purpose is winter uniform. After this, we will write all details related to the purpose. So here I am writing the details. Students are hereby informed that from 20th May 2019, students must attend school in their winter uniform. Students who are yet to purchase their uniform can collect from uniform shop from 16th May 2019 onwards between 11:30 to 6 p.m. Information must contain a logical or a meaningful message. It should be short and simple language. It should not be very lengthy. It should be small. It should be short and contains a very simple meaning. So it is the notice only. First we will write the heading and the name of the organization with the heading. It will come in the center of the box. Then we will write notice, that what we are going to present. We are going to present a notice. After this, at the right side, we will write the date, on which date we are going to issue this notice. After this, again in the center, we will write the purpose of the notice. After this, we will write all the details related to our purpose that I have mentioned over here. And at last, what I mentioned? I mentioned the signature or name of the person issuing notice. So here I am writing the signature, the name Samir Jain, and the designation is principal, as principal is the only one who is issuing all the notice for the school. So it is the notice only. It will come only in one of the box. We will not write any of the detail outside the box. Thank you, class. Hope you understand this video and hope you understand this topic notice. In case if you have any doubt, any problem, so you are free to ask. Thank you.